Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HONOR Magic6 Pro and let me share with you how to clear the browser on this device. So let's start with opening the browser. In my case it will be Google Chrome, but no worries, basically this operation is pretty similar in all other browsers, so I'm pretty sure that you will be able to figure out how to remove the browsing history on your specific browser. So after entering the browser, we have to open the settings. So let's tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the section which is responsible for the history and removing browsing data. As you can see, we've got this option here. We can of course tap on it, and in this option we'll remove some basic browsing history, I would say. So for example, the list of the websites and the cookies. So you can change the time range from last 15 minutes to all time, and you can tap on clear data, and that's everything. You can also tap on more options and then you will be transferred to this section. However, I'd like to enter it using a different way. So let's tap on the three dots icon and tap on the history. Basically here we've got the list of all previously visited websites. Of course, if you want to, you can remove them manually just by tapping on this X button right next to it. Then let's tap on clear browsing data, and as you can see, we've got this section which I've shown you previously. The additional options which we can remove here are saved passwords, autofill from data, and site settings. So those are kind of advanced. If you want to remove something, make sure that it is marked. Again, we can change the time range and then tap on clear data. And as you can see, the history is empty. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.